Welcome to all. I am Sadhana. I am studying in St. Francis Xavier's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Broadway, and I am a student of Junior IAS Academy. Today I am going to take Science Heat Effects of Heat. Before going to see what is there in this effect of heat, let's see a small introduction of this about heat. We are surrounded by all the things that is made by the molecule. The molecule have kinetic energy within them that will be generally here and there, that will be at an motion that will possess the kinetic energy. When the molecule that will attract to other molecule that will possess the potential energy. So, the sum of the kinetic energy and the sum of the potential energy, when we add it together, we will get the internal energy, that is the heat. So, the internal energy is called as an heat. When there is a hot substance, that will be higher. When will be the cold substance, means that will go into less. Let's see what are there in the effects of heat. The first thing is in that is expansion. What do you think about the expansion? Expansion means we will think about that will expand it. When we take thing a word, when we take a small word like they will be compress it and they will be get it into one or two words like ECG, like that will be a big word that will be get into small. But here there will have a small things that will expand and spread it to all over the places. So that is the expansion here. When we put butter or a ghee in a pan, when we switch on the stove, and we will put butter or a ghee in the pan. That will, when the heat getting started, the butter is there in the pan, no, that will started to melt, and when that is started to melt and that go and spread to all the places. When that started to melt, that is the expansion. When that is in a square shape, that will be a butter, or take a cheese. When that is spreading, that is expanding to all over the places in the pan. So that is how the expansion will take place. That is about the expansion. Let us see about the other thing, the change of state. The second one is the change of state. Let's see the changes of the state. We will have the solid state and liquid state and gaseous state. In that three, that will have a process when the solid to liquid, when the solid that will be in a solid form, like in a cubic form, that will be, and that will change into liquid, that will be in a water form, in a glass, that will be as in a water. Next, when that is changed into gaseous form, that will be as vapors. The vapor, the water vapor, that will go off. This is the three types of the changes. That will get a reverse station also. The gas, when that is flow as an a rain too for us, that will change, the gas will change into liquid, and next that liquid will change into solid. When we cool the water, we will get a ice cube, so we will get a solid form for us. So like that, when this takes place, means this also can, when solid to liquid means solid to gaseous, we can take that, and that also turn into reverse. So this is the change of state. We can this can take place in the change of state. Let's go to next part of it, that is the change in temperature. What is that the change in temperature is when there is an high when there is an hot thing means that temperature will started to go up. When there is a cold situation means that started to decrease. That will take place in a change in a temperature. When there is an heat energy, the temperature will rise up. When there is an kinetic energy in there, the temperature will go rise up. And that is the cause of a rise in a temperature that will going on rising when the heat things the heat up happening there. The temperature will rise up. When the boiling water we can put in a temperature, we can see that when the boiling is happening, the temperature also started to rise. When there is an nothing is there, that is not a heat substance, that will be a cold substance means the temperature will be going on less down. Let's see the last one, that is the chemical changes. What is the chemical changes is when we take a rice to cook it, that's tightly not going and eating that. For example, we turn on the stove means vessel will be heated up. No, that is not slightly heated up. That will stay direct connection not with the ingredients that doesn't have, but the ingredients will started to get boiled on. So that is the chemical changes will happen in that things. So that is the chemical changes. We have seen about the changes of state and change in temperature and the chemical changes and about expansion. Expansion means that is expanding, and the changes of the state we can remember solid, liquid and gaseous. Temperature means that will rise up when heated on, that will decrease when that is colded. And the chemical changes means that will change, that will not get heated by the own, that will change and that passes to another one. The molecule will not move here and there, that will stay there itself. But when in expansion that move here and there, but in chemical changes that will not move here and there, but it will give passes the heat to another one. Thank you.